Hi, my name is Xiaohui Liu. I am a computer science student at the University of Alberta. The project I'm going to present is tab-based keyboard shortcut. At current stage, I'm able to implement a keyboard shortcut help dialog that can dynamically render available keyboard shortcuts on each page. So now we are at the my dashboard page. If I press Tab and H, there is a dialog showed up, and you can see there is shortcuts and its description. There is only one available shortcut, which is Tab H itself on this dashboard page. So there is only one row in the dialog. Now, if we go to one of the review requests, and now we are at the review request page, which has more shortcuts available. So now if we press Tab and H, you can see there are 4 shortcuts and their description over here showing up. And